Welcome to this video on creating your own digital product fulfillment app. We will explore how to automate your product delivery process using Google Sheets and App Script. Selling digital products often comes with hidden costs. Many platforms charge monthly subscriptions, take a percentage of your sales, delay your payouts, and make it difficult to manage your own customer data. The solution is to build your own ecosystem. By using this method, you can achieve production-grade automation for your digital product sales with zero monthly overhead. This system architecture bridges the gap between customer purchase and product delivery in milliseconds. It uses secure cloud webhooks to trigger data logging to Google Sheets and instantly send a personalized fulfillment email via Gmail. Your Google Sheet serves as the master command center for your business. It tracks every transaction, provides valuable customer insights, and lets you monitor the status of every fulfillment sent. The engine driving this automation is Google App Script. Using the DoPost trigger, the system handles incoming JSON data from your payment processor with precision, logging information and initiating the fulfillment process. The core modules include a webhook listener to receive payment requests, a dynamic logger to maintain your sales history, and an automated email dispatcher for delivering your digital assets. The financial impact is clear. By removing middleman platforms, you retain 100% of your revenue. You can save thousands in subscription fees annually and scale your business without increasing your monthly overhead. This setup also ensures a seamless customer experience. Buyers receive their digital assets immediately upon payment, and you can provide professional branded emails with direct links or file attachments. This system is highly versatile and supports various digital products, including digital journals, printable planners, and other high-growth digital assets. The implementation roadmap is straightforward. Set up your Google Sheet, deploy your app script as a web app, connect the URL to your payment processor's webhooks, and launch your automated fulfillment system. Are you ready to automate? Visit the links shown to download the blueprint and access the source code to start building your own zero-cost fulfillment system today.